Yeah, I saw Texas Chainsaw 3D. They're gonna make a prequel. It's gonna be a prequel. They're gonna have three Leatherface. There's gonna be three Leatherface in the movie. Three Leatherface in the movie. That's way too much. Yep, it's gonna be the prequel to Toby Hooper's 1974 film The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. It's not gonna follow. It's gonna forgiving the events of the Texas Chainsaw 3D. I don't know if I don't know, it's going to be produced by Millennium Films. I don't know if Lionsgate has the rights or not, but I think Lionsgate has the rights to 7 movies. Yep, the remake was good. I have the remake right here. The remake right here. The remake right here. Yep, I enjoyed this one. Yep, I enjoyed this one. Excuse me. I enjoy this one. Jessica Biel's in it. She she was in Seventh Heaven, and it's produced by Toby Hooper. Toby Toby Hooper. Directed by Marcus Nispel. I think his name is Marcus Nispel. Yep, I really enjoyed this one. Nolan doesn't have the Nolan doesn't have the rights anymore. Lionsgate does. Yep, I can see what I do. Let me see what they could go with the prequel. Let's see. I'm gonna try to look for the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the beginning. Yep, I'm gonna try to look for that on DVD. Yep, go with the prequel. It's not gonna be for it's not it's gonna be forgiving the events of the Texas Chainsaw 3D, which I seen along when I seen in 2013. I loved that one, but but not as good as the remake or the Texas. I haven't seen Texas Chainsaw Massacre at the beginning. I haven't seen that one, but I'll look for that one. I'll look for that one on DVD. Yep, this is really good. This is a good remake. This is a good remake. Yep, this is a good one. Yep, this is a good one. Great. See you later. Bye.